What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update, and Bubba here, and well, I don't know, not much, not a lot going on. Markets, new highs, which is shocking. We have new highs every day, but I think the interesting thing to look at is the lack of volume throughout every market, not just the stock markets, but all markets have lost volume. All markets have lost volatility. We have come to the place of complacency that is ridiculous, but again, this is the market. You can't fight what's going on. We continue to try to drift higher, and you see this is very common in markets like this. Again, this is the last time I remember this tight of a range in trading percentage-wise is about 2004. Now, when we look at the overall view, we can hear and understand that they believe there's good news coming. Again, I'm not going to say it's good or bad. I don't necessarily agree with everything that I heard because, again, when I'm out walking among my friends and things, I see things aren't quite as good as they make them out to be. But again, there's Main Street, there's Wall Street, and right now Wall Street is flourishing. And I don't know so much about Main Street. We've still got a lack of jobs. Of course, you saw the ADP jobs number come out today, which was better than expected. But again, better than what? I don't know what the comparison is here too. But in the meantime, the markets drifted all day and didn't have much of a range. There wasn't any real big bombshells. I think that you look at oil. Oil today had a much bigger drawdown or less build, which should have indicated prices would go higher. Oil fell about $1 from its high and closed down on the day. The grain markets were quiet and kind of just, soybeans were up a little bit, wheat was down a bit, and corn was near the unchanged level. Meats were mixed. Everything was kind of just mixed without anything really going on. Now again, it is what it is. We're not going to step into it. We're not going to try to fight what's going on. I think the issue here is gold had a dramatic move up and then down and then kind of finished higher on the day, but we have this amount of complacent money that believes that no markets will go down and that they continue to pour in. Now again, they may be right? This time could be different. I don't think so, but you never know. I mean, again, we have to watch. We have to continue to wait for a solid footprint, and certainly there's no reason to sell here. If you're hedged, that's great, and if you're not, then you should probably think about doing that. But overall, the big picture is we know the markets do go up, but right now we're in a phase that is just pure absolute torture because there's no volume, there's no volatility, there's no overall action. And maybe we're waiting for the jobs number on Friday. I don't really have the answer as to why there's nothing going on. But the Russell was a little bit weaker today, but that would make sense. I would expect tomorrow to be a little bit quiet, more of the same. Maybe up or down slightly. I guess maybe we're going to see what the jobs have to say. I don't know that that's really an issue here, but overall markets are quiet, all of them. There isn't one. From the dollar, gold, oil, grains, stock market, everything is quiet. So right now everybody's just kind of ducking out of sight and waiting to see what happens, and money's just kind of limping into the markets. Let's see what it looks like tomorrow, and that'll do it for today. But in the meantime, be careful, be cautious, manage your money, and be patient. This is Todd Bubba Horowitz, Bubba's Daily Update. We'll see you back here tomorrow, same time. Have a great day, everybody. Thank you so much for being here. We'll see you later.